Good morning. Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
How are you doing? Hey, how many people do we have here this morning? Let's count our friends. We have one Zoe, one, two.
Don't acting like you.
Oh, I hear a three, Jaden. I see, oh, beautiful baby. Easton bought his baby. I see a four, Ethan. I see a Jaden. I see a Ivy. We have a lot of friends this morning, Zoe. One, two, three, four, five, six. All right, let's see who's here this morning, friends. Good morning. It's so good to see you all. Oh, Jaden. All right, let's see. We have Ivy Lewis here this morning. We have Jaden Jefferson here this morning. Let's see. Zoe Carter Stevens is here this morning, looking purpley and cute. We have Tristan Davis here this morning. He looking bright and shiny. I like your haircut. And oh, do we have Easton? Yes, we have Easton.
And his baby brother.
And Easton has his baby brother. And Jaden, you can turn your microphone back on. It was a little loud when Junior was crying. When Junior was crying, and we couldn't hear. All of my friends, yesterday was Thursday. Do you friends think you know what today is?
Thursday.
Friday. Oh, my friends are very good at keeping up with the days of the week. There you go, Jaden. You can turn it back on.
What's this? I haven't seen nothing.
Sometimes it's like that, friends. Let's get popping. Today is Friday, like you guys said, February the 26th.
No, I got that right before them.
Ooh, I'm so glad you were learning and listening.
February 26th.
When we come back to school on Monday, we will be in a brand new month. January, February, March. So when we come back to school on Monday, it will be March, a new month. So let's get popping. Friends, it's our last day learning about pets. So we're going to have some fun games and learning today. Let's get started. Which home do you guys think is best for this pet fish?
The fish tank. A fish tank.
Zoe and Jaden say the fish tank. What do you say, Tristan and Easton?
Yes. I think it's a dog in there.
Tristan said maybe he could put the dog up in that other one. That's a good place you put the dog. But look, guys, look closely at that fish tank. Do you recognize? Does it look familiar?
No. Oh, I got a building in it.
Dun, 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 dun. What video game do you guys see in that fish aquarium?
Mario.
Super Mario! That is so cool. Maybe Jaden, Zoe, and Tristan can make a Super Mario fish tank. They have pet fish at their house.
I got 3 of them.
Well, friends, since since we're celebrating our last day of pet studies, let's have a silly song break and see what happens to the baby turtle. I had a baby turtle. I named him Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He ate up all the soap. And now he's sick in bed with bubbles in his throat. You sing with me. This time, friends, you sing along with me. Okay? I had a baby turtle. I named him Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He ate up all the soap. And now he's sick in bed with bubbles in his throat. That was a good silly song break, friends. When I had a baby turtle. Let's see what's next for today. Friends, it's time to vote. Today is our last day. We have Dylan with us now. Thank you for joining us, Dylan Terrain. We have 3 different things. Now, if you want to vote, I need you to look and listen. We have 3 things we can start. Excuse me, somebody's talking while Miss Bratton is talking. That means we can't hear. Now, we have 3 things that we can vote for, friends. We can learn about wheels, we can learn about making music, or we can learn about exercising. So I'm going to ask my friends one at a time, and then I'm going to make some tally marks. And we're going to see who votes for the most. And whoever has the most votes, that's what we're going to learn about next week. So Dylan, your name came up first. What's your vote? Do you want to learn about wheels, making music, or exercises?
I picked music.
All right,
Dylan, about music.
Making music. All right, Miss Zoe Carter Stevens. What would you vote for? Would you like
I vote for exercises.
All right, Zoe votes for exercises. Tristan Davis. Tristan, what are you going to vote for learning about? We could pick wheels, making music, or exercising. Exercise. Tristan voting for exercise. All right, Jaden Jefferson. What are you going to vote for? Music making, exercising, or wheels?
Wheels.
All right, wheels. Easton Lewis. Easton Lewis, what would you like to learn about next? Wheels, music making, or exercise? No. Easton, are you still there? What about Miss Ivy?
What's that noise?
Somebody is playing some music and it's hard for everyone to hear. Ivy, are you with us? Easton, are you with us? I don't think they're with us. All right, right now I have 2 votes for exercise, 1 for music, and 1 for wheels.
Yeah.
We need Ivy and Easton to vote so we can know which subject we're learning about next. Let's see if Ivy and Easton have made it back. It says that Ivy is connecting to audio. So Ivy is coming back. Hopefully she can hear us. Ivy, can you hear us?
I want to.
Well, friends, we might have to go ahead and get started. Ivy, can you hear us? Ivy, what are you going to vote for? Are you going to vote to learn about exercising, wheels, or making music? Well, friends, I don't think Ivy can hear us, so we need to go ahead and cast our vote. We had one vote for making music, we had one vote for wheels, and we had 2 votes for exercise. So which number is bigger, 1 or 2?
2.
2. So exercise wins. We'll be learning about exercising, working out, and staying healthy for the next few weeks, friends. We're going to have some fun. All right, friends, we're going to move on to our next activity. Dylan, is there music in your background or is there music in someone else's background?
It's in mine.
Is there a quiet place for you to go? Because friends, it's time for our alphabet pet. Today's alphabet pet is B is for Bratton. B, the teacher's pet. B, the teacher's pet is that you're so nice to your teacher and you love her and she loves you. So today's alphabet pet is B is for Bratton. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit quieter so my friends can hear. There we go, friends. All right, it's time for us to get some paper, pencil. We need paper or pencil. If you do not have paper or pencil, you can use a screen writing tool, but we need to share the space.
I have a paper.
All right, well, I'm going to make our screen divided so we can write on the screen, but our rules are that we only write on our own side of the paper. We only write on our own side. We don't draw on the other side of the friend's paper. All right, I'm going to divide it some sections. Excuse me, friends, somebody is writing and they don't have a spot yet. We all know the problem that the black quarterback has had in the past. Now, who does not have pencil and paper?
I do. I do.
So
I have pencil down here.
we can do Zoe, Jaden,
And my
right.
pencil.
Ivy, you can write with the letter I. Ethan, he can write with the letter E.
Wait, I think it won't work.
All right. So our letter for today is the letter B. We should be writing the letter B. Come down. Yes, B for Bratton. We need a straight line like this. Yes. Try to make a straight line to write the letter B. Then we're going to put a curve on the top like a hill and a curve on the bottom.
Daddy, look.
Like that.
I did it.
All right,
Do you have to do 2 buns?
Now we need to make the lowercase b. It's the same straight line, but we're only going to put a curve on the bottom for the lowercase b. Now, how can we make this b look like Miss Bratton?
I don't know.
Let's get some ideas. Let's get some ideas, friends.
How about buns?
We gonna make some buns.
We gonna make it some black hair and some gray hair.
Get some buns. Good old bun. How many buns? Big bun at the top. What about some eyes?
Did you draw that?
I'm gonna
put B. Ivy, where's B?
Where? There you go.
Y'all draw me some
Don't
eyebrows
get it.
and some eyes and a mouth and a nose. I need some ears. Jay, you
like
need my curly hair. You said you want it big and curly.
No. No, put your hand in a ponytail.
Put in a ponytail. Then I
Yeah.
need some arms.
No, some feet. A big belly.
See, I already got my belly because for the B, the letter B already gave me a nice little belly.
It's big. Zoe,
B
that's
for
like
big. B for big and
I'm gonna try to make myself so all of us can be in
and belly. So what should I make my lowercase be?
Oh, your friends are B. I'll say it first.
Make my favorite person, Jaden.
Who are you writing?
B for Bratton. Maybe I'm making a baby Bratton.
No. I'm making a baby Bratton too.
The baby Bratton, she got a little ponytail at the top like that, Jaden. B for Bratton. It's baby Bratton.
Oh, I think I'm done. I think I'm done.
I think we are done, Zoe. That looks good. That looks good, Tristan. I see you, Jaden. Dylan, he can race his. He gonna try again.
I've been bringing my son up.
He gonna try again. I'm gonna take a picture of my friend's B's. B is for Bratton. Let me take a picture.
Yes, Bratton.
What happened?
That for Rylan.
I want to take a picture of my friend's B is for Bratton picture.
No, sir.
Dylan, what's yours, Dylan? Looking good, guys. Looking good. All right. Let's get ready.
And Miss Bratton,
Yes,
can you pull up that paper again? Cause I want to do what's it called? Them square things. What's it called? Them square things.
There you go. I think our friend Rylan has joined us. Good morning, Rylan Poe.
I never seen
You
them.
are writing the letter B. B is for Bratton today.
I did never.
Look, Rylan. We made the letter B and we turned it into Miss Bratton. B is for Bratton. And we gave her some eyes and a mouth and a nose and some hair. B is for Bratton. Do you think you can draw the letter B, Rylan?
You got a dog out. Darling, in there.
All right, friends, we must move along before we run out of time. Let's see what's
Yeah.
next for our activity.
Hey, Miss Brett.
Ooh, let's take another silly song break.
My little monkeys is hanging in the tree.
5 little monkeys swinging in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be. And snatch that monkey right out of
That was me. That was me.
4 little monkeys swinging in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be. And snatch that monkey right out of that tree. 3 little monkeys swinging in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator. You can't catch me. You can't catch Along came Mr.
Mr.
Alligator,
Alligator.
quiet as can be, and
Snap that
monkey out of that
That was you, Jaden. That was you, Jaden.
little monkey.
No, it wasn't. Yes, it was. Don't get me.
You can't catch me. You can't catch me.
Okay, Mr. Alligator. Quiet as can be.
And
monkey
out of that tree. One little monkey swinging in the tree. He's an alligator. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. Along came Miss Alligator. Quiet as can be. And that monkey right out of that tree. No more monkeys. One full alligator. Oh, my friends, let the alligator eat them and sneak up on them. Did you like that break, friends?
Yeah. That was funny, Miss Breakfast.
Friends, who got eaten, friends?
Me. me.
Dylan got eaten. Tristan, you got eaten too, Dylan.
I got eaten first.
You got eaten first, Dylan.
Yep. I said, don't eat me.
Joey got lip pops on his lip.
Why your out?
Lip pop on her lip.
Daddy got lip pops on his lips.
I didn't.
Because I want some.
Zoe.
Hey, when y'all
Maya said she wants some lip pop for her lip.
I wish I could be a monkey in real life.
You wish you could be a monkey in real life, Jaden? What would you do if you were a real monkey?
I won't be around the thing.
What would you do if you were a real monkey?
I will bite. Right. Kick with my feet. Look at the doggies in the head. Why do you keep on doing the same thing?
Time for all
What's wrong with those dogs?
Can everybody hear me?
Yeah.
All right, this game is called Name That Pet. So we learned a lot of alphabet pets this month. We learned a lot of letters. We learned a lot of words. So you will see clues with words, and you will see tiny little pictures that might peek out. And you have to guess which pet it is. All right, let's go. Ooh, I see some letters. Does anybody have a guess of what pet this is?
A snake. A snake.
Somebody said snake. Ivy and Dylan said snake.
A snake. A snake.
Who else?
Because I didn't see the body.
Who else thinks
Snake. Snake.
Everybody thinks it's a snake?
Yes.
Everybody thinks it's a snake. Okay.
It's
So
a
It's
snake.
not a snake.
we're going to see.
It's a snake.
Y'all got that one.
That's why.
What about this one? Do you remember this word?
Octopus.
Ooh,
Octopus.
Dylan remembers that word.
Because I see your O. I see your O.
See the O. That's what I'm talking about, Dylan. Yes. He's remembering those letters. He remembered.
Yes.
Ooh, that's it. Oh, the octopus.
Oh, look at that octopus. That thing big.
Oh,
I'm scared to go on the water.
octopus.
I hope I don't go in the
Fish.
and mess with that.
Yo, I'm so scared to go in.
That's
But yeah.
scary. Let's go.
Yo,
to the
yo.
next one.
You know it's a king down there. You know it's king
Who
down
knows what this one is?
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Jaden said it's Peppa Pig. Jaden, what letters do you see, Jaden? Ivy says Peppa Pig.
I see a B.
He sees a B. Maybe he's a P. What do you think it is, Kristen? Zoe and them think it's Peppa Pig. Ivy, what do you think it is?
Peppa Pig.
Ivy thinks it's Peppa Pig too. Okay, let's see.
Peppa
Peppa. P for
I knew it. I knew it.
You
I
guys are
knew
right,
it.
those letters.
Cause I seen the red thing.
All right, who remembers those letters and that word? We had that one this week.
A monkey.
Ooh, who said that?
Monkey.
Who said a monkey?
Monkey.
Did Ivy or Easton say that? Who said monkey? Who said monkey? Somebody said monkey. Who was it?
Rowan.
Rylan said it first.
Yeah.
I said it first.
Rylan,
monkey.
Dylan,
I said
Ivy.
monkey first.
Somebody
You said
else.
monkey, don't you?
I said monkey first. I said monkey.
I think
You
somebody
said
else.
monkey too.
I think Easton, did you say monkey?
You said monkey.
said monkey first. I just said monkey first.
Let's see if they're right. What letter starts with monkey?
Me.
Oh.
Zoe. What letter is it?
M.
M. Let's see. Ha! M is for monkey. Know them
And
letters.
there's a mama monkey. It was a mama monkey.
Mama start with M too, Zoe.
Baby monkey.
Oh, look at the two baby breathy monkeys.
I had a monkey before.
That's not a brother. That's a
I had a monkey before.
Kendall fed a monkey yesterday. Ooh, do you remember this letter?
A lion.
Jaden said lion. Zoe said lion. What do you think?
I said lion.
Yeah, let's see if Zoe, Kristen, and Ivy, and Rylan, and Jaden are right.
I see a lion.
Let's go.
For a lion. Ooh, what about these words?
A baby shark. Baby shark.
Baby shark. It's not baby shark.
Ooh,
Wait,
no.
it is baby
You
shark.
guys
It
are
is
so
baby shark.
good.
It is baby shark. Baby shark.
You guys are awesome guessers. Oh my goodness.
I thought that was the star.
This was a tricky one. Very tricky.
Baby shark's friend. Baby shark's friend. That always makes all the music.
What's that first letter?
P.
Oh,
It's a P, the letter P.
I hope I get this
Look
right.
at this little clue right here, a purple arm.
Pet. Pet. I knew it's pet.
Jaden thinks it's pet. Who you guys
Let
think
me
it is?
sing it.
Let's go.
It's pet. Go Jaden, go friends. Yes. Okay, he's from Ryan.
What
kind of animal is pet?
That was pet. A penguin.
Yeah.
Oh, what is this?
Zoe said we're talking too loud.
It's a goldfish.
A frog. A frog. A frog.
A goldfish. Yeah, it's a teeth.
You gotta pay attention. Somebody's paying
It's not
attention.
nobody.
I heard somebody say T. somebody sees the letter T and is using those letters as clues. So what alphabet pet
Tiger.
we have?
Tiger.
That's a good
No.
guess, Joey.
Tiger.
A lizard.
Somebody
Tiger.
says a lizard.
Tiger.
Lizard doesn't start with T, but that's a good guess. What do you
Tiger.
think it is, Tristan?
Tiger.
We got 2 guesses for tiger.
No,
I want to know what
fish.
Tristan
It's
thinks.
a fish.
Or what Ivy thinks and Rylan.
Fish.
What do you think it is, Ivy?
Fish.
Turtle.
Ivy. Miss Braxton asked Ivy. My friend should respect and let Ivy talk. Ivy, what do you think it is?
Fish. A fish, Miss Braxton. It's a fish.
Excuse me, I'm gonna get you next too, Rylan. Ivy, can you say it louder what you think this animal is?
A fish.
Rylan thinks it's a fish. What about Easton? Easton, do you think you know what this animal is? All right, some of my friends think it's a fish. Some of my friends think it's a tiger. They saw the letter T and they guessed the T animal. All right, I didn't hear Tristan, but if you think you know what it is, you can yell it out. Tiger. Everybody can talk. You just have to yell it out.
Tiger.
Somebody say it's a tiger. All right.
Lizard.
Turtle.
I said it.
You should have guessed that one. T for
I
turtle.
said it. I said it. Before he get him.
I
I said turtle.
T for turtle, guys.
You can do this. A
Now,
dog.
we didn't
A dog.
do this one, but there's an aura, the letter R. What kind of pet starts with the letter
A
R?
bunny. A bunny.
A rabbit.
All right. You guys were right. You guessed that one so fast. Go Zoe, go Zoe and friends. Let's see if we have some more. Ooh, look at the letters.
And you forgot
Brian
to
is
put
right.
the page in
Brian
What's that,
there.
Tristan? Tristan said Sonic. He
No,
saw
it
the
ain't
cut. He thinks it's Sonic. What do you guys
Sonic.
think? What
I'm
about
the
you,
hedgehog.
I ain't gonna say no this wrong. It's
What about
Ryan.
Rylan? Rylan, what do you think it is? You don't.
Sonic is from the Supersonic world.
Well,
Why?
let's see.
White hedgehog. It's white hedgehog.
Sonic. Let's
Oh,
Oh, I knew the word. I knew the word. I knew the word.
That is great that you knew those words.
It's
Dylan,
I knew it. I knew
God.
it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew
Well,
it.
friends, that was that last game. We're going to take a break and I will see you back at 11 o'clock for a story, friends. How did you like that game?
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Zoe.
All right, I'll see you back
Bye,
at 11, friends.
Okay,
Bye,
bye. Bye, Miss Gretchen.
Bye, Dylan.
Bye.